Hi everybody, it's Melissa. Welcome back. I have a unboxing to do today. This is the first actual unboxing I've done for you guys in a very, very long time. But this is my second VDS that I have gotten this year. I am doing very good. I have not ordered a lot. I have one more coming, and I don't know if I'll order any more for the rest of the year. I'm trying to behave myself, especially with tariffs making everything a little bit more expensive on the shipping end. So, anyway, I'm going to unbox this for you guys and let you see what I got. Have to cover up my address there. You know how that goes. All right. So, oops. I really need sharper scissors or one of my, little box cutter lock thingies, but I didn't feel like hunting it down. Whoops, put that there. Today is July the 3rd. I hope you guys are having a good holiday weekend celebrating our country. I am going to be babysitting tomorrow so that others can celebrate. That's okay. I get to spend it with one of my grandbabies, so I'm good. All right. So here we go. Now here is the new leather of the month, and it's a Janet Leather light blue. Why do they want to do this to me? This is gorgeous. Son of a gun. See, this is why I spend money. It's on these new leathers. Oh, that is nice, guys. What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? And that's their Janet leather, which is, I think, probably one of their thickest leathers. But, oh my, oh, this is so pretty. Oh, put it away, Melissa. Put it away. Add it to your stash. Oh. All right, and then here you always get one of these. Hello. When I sell a planner, I always try to include one of these so that, hey, it's new to them. It's their new VDS planner now. Make it a little bit more exciting for them to, open up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. This way I can hide the evidence before my husband gets home from work. Yes, I said that. Now this is something, if it's what I think it is, because we had to cancel one order that I had because they ran out of the particular kind of leather they had. So, well, just let's open it. Stop talking. Let's just open the dang thing. Check this out. Now they send you these lettered keychains. I've got one with the in the color that I got last time, which was like an ocean, well, not really an ocean, kind of light, very grayish blue or green. It's beautiful. But this I love because this is in the Velvet Croco, which will tell you what, it's the Sakura one, which is pink. Isn't that pretty? Take out the fancy little bag. And here she is. Now I do have one in the Sakura Croco, but it's an A6. And the only thing I really use A6 for anymore is a wallet. So this one will get a little bit more use than that. And I wish I had added a secretarial pocket, but I didn't. But anyway, what I did get was the inside is the other color that they were having, that they did the that blue. I had a video of it. I have a personal size in it that had the blue, that bluish Napple Natsat, and this on the inside. And I know there's a video if you want to go back and find it and check it out. But I love, this is Nappa leather, so soft, very soft. I had stiffener put in this one, which I've been doing to a couple of mine lately that I normally did not do, but I'm starting to find that I actually like a little bit of stiffener just to have something different. And I did the contrast stitching so that you could see. I did have my pin loop made a little bit larger so it can fit my larger pins, but I did not put a secondary one on. And I have the big back pocket. So this really takes the place of the secretarial when you want to do it. I just like having a large one to slip things in. 30mm rings, of course. And there she is. If any of you have ever experienced this leather, oop, got something on her, you know that it is very, very soft. It's like a velvet. It's, you know, it's really a nubuck leather. Come on. And it obviously attracts lint and stuff very easily. But it's beautiful. And this feels so substantial because it is kind of a thick leather. It's not as thick as Janet leather, but the fact that it has stiffener in it and then the big back pocket just makes it feel so much more substantial. Beautiful, beautiful planet. And it is in the Franklin Covey compact size. So if I wanted to, I could get personal white in here, but these days I pretty much stick with my Franklin Covey. I really, really like that size, and it's just makes me happy. So there she is. Beautiful unboxing of this beautiful new planner, Vanderspec. So really quick, because I haven't done this yet this month, let me show you what I'm in this month. I switched out from my Janet leather Rosa from last month and switched back into one of my all-time faves, which is my Vinca TM. So not only is this leather tough as nails, she's just beautiful, just a beautiful, beautiful pale lilac. Just so pretty. And it's so soft and squishy. Just love it. It's inside and out because just this alone is just gorgeous. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way, my to-do thingies. So I did all my purple themes. I made me a purple charm. I have several purple charms that I have made. I've been making charms like crazy these days. Bought me a bunch of, you know, jewelry making stuff, and this is what I make. Beautiful, beautiful charms to match whatever planner I am in. And then I have my purple, beautiful purple ollie block. I have one that is solid purple that I have had for years, and I know it's in a planner somewhere. I just have not found out which one. Another little charm I put on there with her. Purple, of course. Purple, of course. This, I do have two pans in it. This one I have that really beautiful magenta. It's just such a fluid. This is by Energel. The ink's just amazing, and the color is really saturated and pretty. And then, of course, I always have my page lifters. This is my little moon that I made. I put her in a lot of mine just because I think it's so pretty. And then what I have as far as dashboards go this month, I did not put any of my laminated dashboards in, or didn't even laminate the new ones that I made because I wanted to stay as thin as possible so I could get more stuff in there. Just, you know, for people who don't know, there's all kinds of ways you can make a dashboard. You can make it with just regular cardstock. You can make it with cardstock and then laminate it to make it thick and more durable. You can make it with regular paper if you really want a thin one in there so that it doesn't take too much of your real estate. And you can also make it with thin paper and then laminate that. And while it's more protected, it's still not quite as thick as the cardstock laminated. So I do them all depending upon, you know, what my needs are at the time. So I just stuffed a bunch of leather in here. I mean, bunch of purple in here. I love my dream catchers. And this one I actually just made a little dashboard thingy out of. There's just a few to-do list. So lavender and purple, and that one is pretty much done. I'll take that one out. And then I do have my other thin dividers in here. These are made out of vellum. I got them a couple of years ago from Infinite Lotus, and they have held up just beautifully. I love them. For July this month, this is May Paper Co. I have doctor's appointments out the yin yang, as you can see. I've been putting in a lot of stickers that I have been making myself. This is just a today marker, which I'm using to mark my weeks. So this is the current week that we will be going into. And I decorate ahead of time. You guys know this, because I still have stuff that I have to plan ahead of time with doctor's appointments and things. So a lot of these beautiful little stickers I get from Amazon. I have like 8 books of them. Oh, more than that now. I would more. But they're just so pretty. They're so pretty. You can get them in different color schemes, and I like that. And another one that I made there with a beautiful butterfly backing. August, see, already got August in there. That's the month. These are the weeks. And yes, I'm already decorating all the way out to August. And then here's another one that I made of front and back biting. Oops, that one. There we go. That says Grievous Angel, which is a song, in case any of you are wondering. This one I made, and with this one, I just love it too. So I just keep using it over and over. My note section. Another vellum, and then I just have lots of note paper in here from Creative Tidbits. Purple Bible verse with purple. Projects. And for this, I have a combination of inserts from Creative Tidbits, handy forms, a lot of different things, stuff I'm working on in the house, or working on getting done, mostly is what that is. And then there's one of my little cactus dudes. This one's for travel, and that's one of the little cactus dudes in there, because where do I go but Joshua Tree? Creative Tidbits has this fantastic insert for packing, and you put everything. It has everything. It has places to visit, packing list, of course, itinerary, just everything you would need to have handy when you're traveling. It's in here. So it's pretty cool, and the way she sets it up is just really cool too. And then even from this is from Infinite Lotus. I have a few daily travel planners in there for when I'm over there. Just pretty. This came from Infinite Lotus. Bloom. Her I made. All of these I made, and then I just have some dailies in here. Oh, gotta see her too. She's so pretty. And another one of my dashboards, dashboard for finance. And also in finance, I have my beautiful dream catcher. And of course, with finance, we have to be a little bit more particular. Also made this one. I'm thinking about making one of these and laminating it, because that's just really pretty. And one of my pink girls, medical. And you guys know I have a bunch of that. Just layer this on top of this. And what this takes me into is my trackers. So I've got all my trackers, so I just flip to them at night when I'm doing them. And then I have doctor's visits, therapy appointment notes. So see, I have a bunch of these from Handy Forms that are for therapy appointments, and then some of them just for regular doctor's appointments, and they come in handy for remembering what, number one, what you'd like to talk about, and number two, what the doctor actually said. And then for goals, I just have a bunch of task lists so that I can, work on tasks that takes me forever. More Purple Pretty. Miscellaneous. This says Dream. And then this one's just a pretty. And then this one's for contacts. So I have to skip through that. I have contacts and passwords in here, both of them from Creative Tidbits. That's the contact blank. So isn't that cool? I like that. I just love her stuff she's doing these days. Then one more of these, some cute little deco in the back, stickers that I need, and that's her. That is her. It's my beauty. I just love this one. So I will not switch into the new one this month, but I will set it up to use next month in August. So that will be fun. I have actually been trading in and out of different planner covers, sometimes 3 times a month these days, just so I can use them. Just, I've got so many and I want to use them, as many as possible. Some of them are just a part of a collection that I would probably never use again, but they're there if I choose to. And a lot, you know, I do have a lot. If you guys have ever watched this channel, you know I am a zealous addict when it comes to planners and Vanderspec especially. And yes, they are spendy, but they're just so beautiful, you know. And you know, everyone has a hobby. This is not only a necessity for my life, it's a wonderful hobby to have, to just keep my brain juices flowing, you know, creating stuff for them, and then actually making it myself and everything. It's just, I guess it is what scrapbooking is for some people. Of course, they get to keep those and everything, but I get to keep which planners I want to keep and sell the ones I don't want. And told my kids I'm actually going to sit down with my daughter and stepdaughter, and I'm going to go through and catalog all of them and how much, you know, they're worth and what they could resell them for after I pass away, so that they understand that there's significant amount of money in these big bad boys. And yes, that their mom was very crazy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I always enjoy an unboxing, and I also always enjoy watching flip throughs of other people's planners. It gives me inspiration, and it's just fun. So one day I'm going to do a what's in my planner bag. I've been planning on doing that for a while, but just have not quite got to it yet, but I will. And I will see you next time, guys. Happy 4th of July. All right, bye-bye.